Hey guys, Nick here from Everything Electronic, and today I'm going to show you some work that I've done in Fusion 360 for CADing for my self-balancing robot. So let's take a look at it. Okay, so here is the CAD for my self-balancing robot. It has definitely progressed some since the last CAD video that we made. So I have the audio board mounted here and the Raspberry Pi, the fan, the Arduino, a speaker mount that I created, a plate here which will hold switches and things like that, an LCD screen mount, and up here is an area that I would like to show you guys for the head. My original design for the head was just a big dome that would go over like this, and it was one solid piece. But then I decided to make it easier to work on, I would cut it up into 7 pieces. So this is one of those 7 segments, and this is the camera that I'm going to have on my robot. So this is a PlayStation 3 fisheye camera, and I took off all the enclosure around it, so now I have the bare camera, and I have that working. So I wanted to have the camera in the head, which would let me do some facial recognition and things like that, but I wanted to be able to adjust the tilt of the camera. So I created this system right here that lets a servo motor drive the camera. So as you can see, that works. And when this is in real life, there will be a little wire attaching that to that, which will make the servo actually be pulling that or pushing. So I do not have the head 3D printed yet, but I'm going to do that somewhat soon. I'm still working on getting this mounting system printed and running correctly, but that should be done soon. So a couple days ago I mounted on the audio systems, which I finally 3D printed the speaker mount and the little mounter for the audio board. And I just got some buck converters, which are these little power converters which will let you step down the voltage from 12 volts to 5 volts, which will let me run the Raspberry Pi. I can also step it up or step it down to 9 volts, and so that I can run this, the audio system. So I can make different output powers using these new converters, and that will let me power the Raspberry Pi directly from the 12 volt input source that I'm getting for the robot. Because right now, to power the Raspberry Pi, I have a cable coming out of the robot just for the Pi. This will let me power the Raspberry Pi directly through the 12 volt power because of this converter. So thanks for watching that update on the CADing that I've done. Sorry I haven't been able to post a new video sooner. I've been really busy and having some camera issues, but I should be able to make a new video within a week or two. And I hope you liked watching this video. I hope that you thought it was interesting, and if you have any design improvements or ideas that could make this better, please leave that down in the comments. Thanks for watching.